This is how you make a slow motion video on your iPhone. Open the camera app. For me, I can swipe down from the top right. On the control panel, I have the camera app. You can also find the camera app on your home screen somewhere. There's mine right there. By default, it goes to video and photo. If you tap down here and drag, you'll find different options. Slo-Mo is one of them. To make a slow-mo video, you go to the slow-mo option, and then you just hit the record button. There's also options for quality up here. So HD is the highest quality my phone will do. Frame rates, we have options of 120 and 240. That just means that when you slow them down, the video is going to be higher quality or more smooth, the higher the frame rate. But also the more space it's going to take on your phone. So to make a slow motion video, just tap the record button and then do something in the video and it's going to be slow-mo. Let's stop that. Let's check out that video. I'll show you a little trick I do with my slow motion videos, because it's not always entirely slow-mo, although in this case it is. That's much slower than it was. Look how smooth that is at 240 frames a second. So the way iPhone records these videos, the beginning of the video is not slow motion and the end is not slow motion, but the middle is. Why they do that, I'm not sure. So sometimes you might capture a video that you want on slow motion, but it's regular motion, and then it turns into slow motion. So to fix that, tap on this icon down here. This bar at the bottom is the video speed. So right here, where the icons or the dashes, vertical dashes are really close together, that's regular speed video. And it's over here as well. And in the middle is slow motion. But you can tap on this larger vertical bar and drag that all the way out to the edges. And then the entire video is going to be slow motion. Or if you just want a specific part in the middle to be slow motion, you can, if it'll let you. It's going to let me do it from the right side. But you can see from the left side, you can hold and drag. So everything's normal speed until you get to a specific part that you want to have be slow motion. You can press on play to watch the results. It's all regular speed, and then can't even see where that happened. Let's do it. Right there. So if we go back to the beginning, it's all regular speed to right there, and it goes to slow motion. And then if it let me drag this right side, which normally it would, you can then go back to normal speed right after that if you want. Tap on done when you're done, and now that clip is saved with what you did there for the changes. You can also adjust some of the quality settings and the default stuff that happens when you choose slow-mo video. You do that by going to the settings, go back out to the main settings area here, and find camera on this list. And here we have record slow-mo as an option. Tap on that to open it, and we can choose which frame rates it does by default for this phone. 120 frames a second is going to result in smaller video, but also the slow motion will be less smooth. 240 is going to be really smooth slow motion, but it's going to be a much larger video size. So choose the one that's appropriate for you. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. I know it sounds weird, and you've probably never done it, so you should probably watch that video. I'll see you there.